My host system for VirtualBox is a late 2012 Mac Mini server. This has the Intel Core i7 processor. And as far as VirtualBox goes, it's running an older version because it's running a macOS Catalina 6.1. Okay, now that said, if you want to enable virtualization inside of a virtual machine in what's called nested virtualization, you want, well, it should be as simple as making sure your VM is off, which it is, clicking on Settings, clicking on System, clicking on Processor, and checking nested virtualization. But you see, it's grayed out. Can't do it. And so what you want to do in that case is, in Mac, go ahead and bring up your Spotlight search and type in terminal to open up a terminal window. Now I'm not going to hit enter because I already have that window up. And this is the command you want to run. User /user /local /bin /vbox manage with a capital V, B, and M. Modify VM for virtual machine, the name of your virtual machine, and if you don't know it, it's as easy as going into Settings and Name. You can just copy it. And then nested HW virt and then space and on. And once you hit enter, now I'll come to my VirtualBox. I'll go into Settings, System, Processor, and voila, that's enabled now. Thank you for watching, and give us a like and subscribe.